The second subject of interview is the job promotion interview. Is present by three members are as follows. The interviewer is Mr. Bacha Patil and the interviewees are Ms. Rakshita Kishori and me, Sanket Biraz.
Good morning, Mr. Sanket and Miss Rakshita. Today is a big day for both of you, so please be comfortable and relaxed. So, both
Yes,
of
sir.
you ready? Shall we start the interview?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing about today's interview, I am going to ask some questions regarding this managerial post and some questions related to your personal experience. You have you both have to answer these all questions as per your intellect and experience. So let's start. First of all, I will take interview of Miss Rakshita Kishori. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. So first question is that Miss Rakshita Kishori, on which basis do you think that companies hire authorities or I have chosen you for this post?
Well, sir, after working here for 5 years, I'm well aligned with our company culture and vision. As an assistant manager, I was able to diversify my knowledge and contribute to the project, leading to a 5% growth in revenue. I feel I can use my data analysis and quick decision making skills in a senior role and make more valuable contribution in that capacity.
Okay. Miss Rakshita, this question is a personal one. You have spent almost 3 years in our firm as an assistant manager. Before that, you have been supervisor for 2 years. Then tell me why you stuck with our company for these 5 years. Why you have not changed the firm?
Well, sir, I have been associated with this organization for 5 years. Since its early days, my team is like a family, and I would be thrilled at an opportunity that could provide growth here. As an assistant manager, I have created an optimal brand recognition for our products, making a unique place in the market. I believe in myself and our project, and it would make me extremely happy to continue working here.
A nice one. This question is about your working experience with your colleague, Mr. Sanket Birazdar. So, what do you think about your colleague Sanket Birazdar? Because both of you have spent almost same time in this firm, and you both are our star performers.
Okay, sir. I want to describe Sanket sir in three words would come to my mind. Punctual, hardworking, and trustworthy person. He is punctual because he have been working in the firm from last 5 years. He is trustworthy because we've done many tasks together, and he frequently guide me and our team.
Okay. The next question is about your managerial post. So, give answer by using your experience and intellect. Tell me what is the
Yes, sir.
importance of this promotion in your life? Why you want to become a manager?
Receiving a promotion can be effective way to enhance our skill, taking the new challenges and push us to grow in our professional life. If I become a manager, I will get lots of different authorities and responsibilities, which improves my decision making skill, quality of decision making, and also my qualification. The job of manager recommends beneficial programs to management by studying employee requirement and trends and developments in benefits offered by other organizations.
Okay. The next question is about your future when you become a manager. This will challenge your decision making skills and your working experience. If you have to take a extreme decision like a decision that will provide profit to our firm, but it will be harmful for the workers, then what will you do? You think about our firm's profit or workers' safety first?
Well, sir, both things are important for the firm. Without workers, we can't achieve organizational goals. As we think about our goodwill, our technology is much more updating, so it help us to reduce harmful effect of product while manufacturing. As we think about workers' health, workers we have been taking all precautions while working. So use of technology and taking precautions is useful for earning profit and our firm.
Okay, the nice one. This question is the last one and most important question about your career. So tell me, if you get promoted, then tell me what will be the salary increment that you expect.
Thank you, sir, for asking. I feel that an annual salary between 17 to 18 lakh is in line with the firm average and reflects my skill and experience level well. I am, however, flexible and open to hearing about the company compensation and expectations for this company. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Miss Rakshita Kishori. This was a great interview. You have given all answers very wisely. So you have to wait some time until I take interview of your colleague, Mr. Sanket Birazda.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sanket Birazda, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before starting it, Mr. Sanket Birazda, I want to inform you that you have to give all the answers by using your intellect and all the working experience. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
This is the first one. On which basis do you think that companies hire authorities or I have chosen you for this post?
Sir, you should promote me because I genuinely want this organization to succeed and to continue to thrive within this it is a part of. Over the years, I have been careful to build up the necessary experience, the skills, and the qualities needed to excel within this promoted position. I understand that your organization needs strong leaders. It needs people like me to step up and make the right decisions to ensure the business continual growth and to make sure the people within these companies are equipped to do their job to the right standard and to reach their full potential. If you promote me within this position, I will always put the future success of the business at forefront of everything I do.
Okay, nice one. This question is a personal one. You have spent almost 3 years in our firm as an assistant manager. Before that, you have been supervisor for last 2 years. Then tell me why you have stuck with our company for these 5 years. Why you have not changed the firm?
So I spent around 5 years of my life in this firm with all of you. In these 5 years, I have seen so many rise and falls of this firm, and now everyone are like a family to me. This firm has given me a new beginning, hence I have not changed it, sir.
Okay, really good. The next question is about your experience working with your colleague, Miss Rakshita Kishori. So tell me, what do you think about your colleague Rakshita Kishori? Because you both have spent almost same time in this firm, and you both are our star performers.
Okay, sir. I want to describe about my colleague, Ms. Rakshita Kishori. She is a loyal, supportive, hardworking, and professional. She is loyal because she takes pride in everything do for her employer. Supportive because whenever any problem, challenges, or a project, she would always step up, make difficult decisions, and help her co-workers when they needed assistance. Hardworking because she always complete her duties quickly and to a high standard. And professional because she always acts as a positive role model for the organization she working for.
Okay. The next one. So tell me, if you not get promoted, what would you do? You will continue your job as an assistant manager, or you will leave this firm?
Sir, I will be naturally disappointed because I really do want this job. However, I will understand that you don't feel yet that I am the right person to help take the company forward and I will carry on working hard in my current role. I would be back again though applying for promotion with this company in the future as I see as the place I want to work with a great bunch of people and management team who are clearly focused on bringing continuous success to the organization.
Okay. So this is the next question in which is about your future when you become a manager. This will challenge your decision making skills and your working experience. So answer it very wisely. So tell me, if you have to take an extreme decision, like a decision that will provide profit to our firm, but it will be harmful for the workers, then what will you do? You think about firm's profit or workers' safety?
Sir, on this type of situation, first I will study all about this project. After that I will have a discussion with my higher authorities as well as the clients for whomever we are going to do this project. After that, I will suggest the middle way which will help both working staff and company future.
Okay, great one. This question is the last one and really important one. If you get promoted, then tell me what will be the salary increment that you expect.
Okay, sir. You know what my experience is and how was my performance in the previous post. I am a person whose focus is on work. My focus will be on working as a manager with you in this company. I will work first because whatever you pay me will be based on my work, skill, and experience. So, sir, my expecting salary is 10 to 12 lakh per annum, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sanket Birazdar, you have given all the answers very wisely. You both have surprised my all expectations again and made me really confused about your results. So I want some time for your results. I will listen and analyze all your answers as well as study your performance report of last 6 months. After that, I will inform your results on your email address. So thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Well done, guys. And